Well, the day has dawned crisp and clear and sunny and incredibly windy. I was getting woken up in the night with the sides of my tent being pushed in on me. Poor little big Agnes has had a right old time of it. So I'm going to get broken camp as fast as I can, get down into the next town, which I think is Settle, and see if I can find myself a fried breakfast and a proper coffee and stuff. It's crazy out here. In Settle just as the Three Peaks Bike Shop and Cafe was opening. I got a coffee, I got a full Yorkshire breakfast, I poked around in a bike shop, bought some new gloves, windproof this time, because I can never buy gloves that are any good. If you're in Settle, I recommend the Three Peaks Cafe and Bike Shop. It's a really well-stocked bike shop, and that breakfast was awesome. Not just because I'm hungry, it was a genuinely top quality fried breakfast, really, really good. So yeah, that's me. I just climbed up out of Settle into the hills. I got a bit of a climb ahead of me. Skies are clear, wind is still blowing in my face, of course, but I got a load of nuts and a belly full of beans, so should be fine. Feeling good that way. I'm just demonstrating how windy it is up here. It's beautiful, but it's really, really blowing. Ooh, in my face. Well, I made quite a costly mistake climbing up out of Settle and climbed quite a lot further than I was supposed to before realising my mistake and getting a very nice descent out of it, but wasted the best part of an hour really. And then I came down through Stainforth, I think the village is, and over this lovely old bridge, and I thought I heard a rushing of water, and I've just come down off the road and there's a really cool little set of waterfalls into a deep dark pool, which on a hotter day would be an amazing place for a little plunge, but not today. It's pretty chilly and pretty windy. I've barely broken a sweat, to be honest, and I've just stopped for a look. Got to carry on, really. Well, I'm at about 970 feet now, and the wind is crazy. I don't know, I'm trying to block it with my hands. I don't know if you can hear me even. It's literally bringing you to a stop on the downhill sort of wind, right in my face, coming straight out of the north. And it's consistent. This isn't gusting around. This is like being in a wind tunnel. It's ridiculous. Very, very hard work. Energy sapping, and it's full of little stinging beads of cold rain. Proper northern. But I'm kind of getting there. I'm kind of making some miles, but whew, it's not going to be a big one today. I tell you that much for free. Another hard day on the Pennine Bridleway. My goodness. I've spoken in the past about how much I dislike a headwind, and today was a headwind that will go down in the history of headwinds. That was as strong as anything I remember getting hit with in Denmark or the Netherlands. But this time combined with some long, steep, rocky climbs. I am knackered. I've been entertaining myself with a fun new game that I've invented. All the signs around here, instead of saying Pennine Bridleway, they just say PBW. So I've been thinking of other things that PBW could stand for. I started off simple with perfectly balanced wagon. Then I started combining, and I came up with this exciting headline: Pirates break windows, public be warned, police bring wheelbarrows. And I finally ended up with Playful Beauty wins Pulitzer because writing. So that's fun, you can all get involved in that. Leave comments below, only using words starting with the letters PBW. No prizes, just social media glory. I am camped up on a hill somewhere. I think the village of Hawes is kind of down that way, and I should do a little bit further really, but some farmer long ago saw fit to build this wall at the perfect angle to block this intense wind that's coming over the hill, and I'm sitting here in the lee of it with the evening sun on my face, pretty much sheltered. And I think I'm staying here, to be honest. I think this is me for the night. Then tomorrow, we finish the Bridleway, all being well. So it's time to talk about the end game and that mystery guest that I teased you with a while back. Regular viewers might have already guessed. It's Alan, good old Alan. He's driving up from London for one day of riding in the lakes. I think he's driving about 100,000 miles. He's mad, but he's going to give me a lift nearly all the way home, so he's also a star. Go, Alan. So tomorrow, after I finish the bridleway, I will of course make a long, impassioned, tearful speech at the finish line, and then I sign off and I grind the last miles to Penrith, which is where I'm meeting Alan on Friday lunchtime. And we've got a room booked in a pub. I'm gonna have a shower. I'm gonna sleep in a bed. I'm gonna drink a beer, maybe have dinner in a pub. Awesome, all that civilized stuff, I can't wait. I haven't decided yet whether we'll do a video of our day riding in the lakes. It depends what the weather's like, how we're feeling, what the route we pick is like, all that stuff. I'm thinking I might just have a day off the shutter button, really. It's been quite intense this last week. But anyway, we're nearly there, the final leg. At dawn, we storm the castle. We few, we happy few. I'll see you on the morrow.